KARBONN Aura, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon. Then here you need to scroll down, choose settings. From the list of settings, you need to here find and select the display. Here I have display under device, and here let's tap on wallpaper. So as you can see, you can use the wallpaper from File Explorer, you can use from Photos or from Wallpapers. Let me choose Wallpapers, and here let me tap Allow to access photos, media, etc. You can here use My Photos, or you can use one of the following wallpapers. So in my case, let me use the following one. Tap Set Wallpaper, and that's it. Now if you go back to your home screen, you should see new wallpaper. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.